Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for July 13th, brought to you today by editorial researcher Nina Whittle. In our top news story, the European Medicines Agency has initiated a review of human papillomavirus vaccines to further clarify aspects of their safety profile. The agency said its Pharmacovigilance Risk Assessment Committee will focus on rare reports of complex regional pain syndrome and postural orthostatic tachycardia syndrome. In other news, shares in Anacor Pharmaceuticals gained more than 50% after the company announced positive preliminary top-line data for 2 phase 3 studies of the investigational topical atopic dermatitis drug crisaborole. CEO Paul Burns said the company plans to submit the experimental therapy for regulatory approval in the first half of 2016. Also featured, GlaxoSmithKline and Purdue Pharma may integrate Apple's open-source software framework Research Kit in clinical trials. GlaxoSmithKline noted it is currently working on integrating Research Kit into clinical trials and planning to start in the coming months. In addition, Roche announced that its experimental PD-L1 inhibitor, atezolizumab, achieved the primary endpoint of objective response rate in a phase 2 trial. The IM Vigor 210 study assessed the safety and efficacy of the drug in patients with locally advanced or metastatic urothelial bladder cancer. And finally, Depomed adopted a shareholder rights plan to defend itself from a hostile takeover bid. The move comes after Horizon Pharma recently announced a proposal to acquire all of Depomed's outstanding shares for $29.25 per share, or about $3 billion. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.